Once again, if you are new to the channel, then please do like, share and subscribe. Click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new videos, you will be notified. So this is the question from the domain of algebra and the difficulty level is hard, which is on linear equations in two variables. It says the table gives the coordinates of 2 points on a line in the xy plane. The y-intercept of the line is k minus 5 comma b, where k and b are constants. What is the value of b? They are asking us with referring to this and the table information, what is the value of b? So what do you mean by y-intercept? It should come in your mind that y-intercept is the point where the line crossing the y-axis. At that point, value of x has to be 0. If you are replacing over here, let's take x-axis and the y-axis. So line where it is crossing the y-axis, this is called y-intercept. You should know the value of x is equal to 0 and y value of y, here it is, they are saying it as b. And as they say, y-intercept is k minus 5 comma b, means indirectly the value of k minus 5 is equal to 0. Y-intercept is always 0 comma y value. So according to them, so k minus 5 is equal to 0. From this I get a value of k as 5 because I need a value of k to find out the value of b. So by knowing the value of k, what would be the x and the y coordinates now? So I'm just replacing here. The k is gonna be 5, and here if you replace k with a 5 plus 7, so which is gonna be 5 plus 7, which is gonna be 12. Now your new coordinate becomes 5 comma 13 and 12 comma negative 15. This is the value of x and these are the value of y. Now to find out the y-intercept, I should know how does the increment on the y and x axis. That's basically find out the slope. In short, find out the equation of a line and then find a y-intercept. What is equation of a line? We generally write y is equal to mx plus b. That is an equation of a line. So where m represents the slope, and how do you find out the slope? Slope we find it as y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, and the b representing the y-intercept, which is we are asked to find. The same variable I am using here. So by using the coordinates of what we got it from the table, assign this value as x1, this is y1, this one as x2, and this becomes y2. You can name it as any pair as x1 and the other as x2, y2, regardless. So I can substitute those and I'll be getting the value of slope here, y2 minus y1, in that case minus 15 minus 13 divided by x2 is gonna be 12 minus 5. So minus 15 minus 13 divided by 12 minus 5, you'll be getting it as minus 28 by 28 by 7. That gives me slope of this is gonna be negative 4. Slope of this line, what we are getting here, it is gonna be negative 4. With that, equation of a line becomes, after substituting the value of slope, y is equals to minus 4x plus b. We are asked to find y-intercept, which is b. Again, take out the same equation, y equal to minus 4x plus b, and substitute any pair of coordinate. While finding the y-intercept, you can take a help of any pair. If you are taking x as 5, take y as 13. If you are taking x as 12, take y as negative 15. Either way is fine. So substitute any of x and y values and solve for the constant, which is b. You can see that 13 equal to minus 4 times 5 plus b. If you want to simplify that, you can say 13 equal to minus 4 times 5 is gonna be minus 20 plus b. Take this one to the other side, that turns to be 13 plus 20 is equal to b. From that, I'll be getting the value of b as 33. 13 plus 30 is equal to 33. So the y-intercept of this one is equal to 33, and that's what also the answer has given. That is the reason this question is considered as a difficulty level of hard. So you have to find out the slope, then find out the y-intercept. In short, you have to make use of equation of a line, as they clearly say it is representing a line in the xy plane. So I have to make use of it. And if you look into the explanation how it has been given, since they have given it as a theoretical, so it's difficult to understand. So you can just follow the videos, that would be very helpful. Line T in the xy plane has a slope of negative 1 by 3 and passes through the point 9, 10. Which equation defines line T? See, as they are already saying that the slope of the line is minus 1 by 3 and it passing through the coordinate points 9, 10. It's something like a line whose slope is negative, something like I can say, and it is passing through the coordinate point of 9, 10. Which equation defines this relation? As long I'm talking about equation of a line, you just write down it as y is equal to mx plus b, as they already give us the slope, which is m value. After substituting m value as minus 1 by 3, equation becomes y equals to minus 1 by 3x plus b. Now how do you find out y-intercept? So you'll be finding it up y-intercept by using the coordinate points, but just by setting up this one you can get rid of option A and option B, because slope is not positive, slope is basically negative. Here they are saying minus x by 3 is same as minus 1 by 3x, this is also same minus 1 by 3x, but I don't know what is the y-intercept. Answer may be either C or D. To find out the y-intercept, take help of the coordinate points and substitute in the equation. This is the value of x, this is the value of y. So put them in this equation and you will be getting out the b value. So that is 10 equal to minus 1 by 3 times 9 plus b. So 10 equals to minus 1 by 3 times 9, that gives me minus 3 plus b. Take this b to the other side, 10 plus 3 is equals to b, which gives us b equal to 13, and that is what representing equations of a line along with the y-intercept. That finally becomes y equal to minus 1 by 3x plus 13, makes sense with option D. So that is the reason they give us a point through which the line is passing. Indirectly they are telling us use these coordinate points to find out the y-intercept if the slope has given.